Calvados is a premium apple and pear brandy made for centuries from the Normandy region of France. It is distilled from hard cider and aged in oak barrels for years to create a warm baked apple spice flavor. A Calvados apple galette is a rustic free-form pastry or lazy pie. A single layer of buttery flaky pie dough rolled flat, its center heaped with apple Calvados butter toffee compote, and its edges folded inward over the fruit, then baked to perfection. This rustic apple galette is served warm with Calvados butter toffee sauce, cinnamon icing sugar, and whipped cream. Pâte brisée is a classic French pie crust. It is also called short crust pastry or flaky pie crust. Adding a little acid like apple cider vinegar to the dough helps create a more flaky crust and adds the rustic homemade flavor of fermented apples into the otherwise neutral flavored crust. To make enough flaky apple cider vinegar pie dough to line a 9-inch pie plate, or at least 4 3-inch baking rings, you must start with chilled ingredients. Then mix 15 grams apple cider vinegar into 40 grams of water and keep chilled until ready to use. Mix 150 grams all-purpose flour with 25 grams sugar and a gram of salt. Then use a pastry cutter or your fingertips to rub 110 grams of diced cold butter into the dry ingredients until the butter is evenly distributed and resembles coarse meal. Then sprinkle the vinegar water over top and mix in just to combine. It is a good idea to hold a little bit of the liquid back in case you do not need it, and vice versa, add a tablespoon more water if needed to create a shaggy dough. A good test is to gently squeeze the shaggy dough between your fingers. The dough should hold shape without falling apart. Then gather the dough into a disc, kneading a few times until the dough holds shape without overworking it, and refrigerate for at least an hour or overnight. The dough can also be frozen but needs to be thawed in the refrigerator before using. To make enough Granny Smith apple Calvados butter toffee to fill 4 3-inch galettes, make a cornstarch slurry mixing 15 grams Calvados with 25 grams cornstarch and 50 grams cream until smooth. Then peel, core, and dice 250 grams Granny Smith apples. Toss in a tablespoon of lemon juice and cook 50 grams of sugar and 50 grams of butter until starting to caramelize. Add the apples, stir them in well, and work quickly to mix in the cream cornstarch slurry evenly before it boils and sets, which is a minute or two. Remove from heat and cool. Calvados butter toffee sauce is an intensely flavored dessert topping. To make a generous half cup, cook 50 grams of sugar with 50 grams of butter until caramelized, about 2 minutes. Add the cream and a tablespoon of Calvados. Stir to dissolve any lumps of sugar, or strain and remove from heat. This sauce is best served slightly warm and can be refrigerated for up to a week. To assemble the galettes, scale the pie dough into 85-gram portions and shape into rounded discs. Then roll out the dough individually on a flour-dusted work surface to 1/8 of an inch thick. The dough needs to remain cold to be manageable when it is rolled out. Working relatively quickly depending on the temperature of the room, roll the dough into an even rounded shape, moving the dough so the surface never sticks. Dusting with flour is needed. A good flaky pie dough will have streaks of fat running through it, so the temperature of the work surface is also important. Too hot and the streaks of fat will melt into the dough, creating a hard crust when it is baked off, or crumble apart more when shaping the dough. Transfer to a lined baking sheet and drape the rolled dough over 3-inch ring molds that have been brushed with melted butter and coated in flour, being careful not to tear the dough as it is being shaped into a pie shell. Then divide the Calvados apple butter toffee filling between the shells and fold the excess dough on top of the filling. Ring molds help to contain the filling and control the shape of the galettes while they bake. A cream egg wash is a large egg yolk mixed with a tablespoon of cream and yields a deeply golden shiny crust with a sweet, rich flavor, especially when sugar is sprinkled on top. Bake in a 375-degree Fahrenheit oven for 50 minutes or until the crust is golden. Allow to cool for at least 10 minutes before removing the ring molds. To make cinnamon chantilly cream, whip high-fat cream with cinnamon icing sugar until stiff. Serve a Calvados apple galette warm with extra Calvados butter toffee sauce, a dusting of cinnamon icing sugar, and whipped cream.